This is the Neewer 2-pack 530 Pro RGB video lights. It comes with an app that you can control on your smartphone. It connects to the lights via Bluetooth. The lights themselves come with their own tripods and carrying case, and even comes with their own softbox, which is really nice. You can control the lights manually if you would like and sync them up to each other. I prefer using the app, and right now I'm going to demo what the app is like and how you could use this in your studio or home setup. Open up the Neewer app. I've got a group of 2 lights. I'll go ahead and turn that on. Boom. It's pretty bright, but you got the main light up there, and then you've got a background light back there. But let's have a look here. This is my main light. I can change the color temperature. 5600K, 3200K. Can also change the brightness. And change the color if you want to as well. Yikes. And saturation. Go back here. You can save this as different scenes if you want. Let's go back to the backlight. So you got blue, you can go around to different background colors. You can change brightness as well. Drop the brightness down a bit. Now let's look at some of the scenes that you can do. It's cool, that's paparazzi. Let's see, lightning. That's pretty cool. TV screen. It's not very TV screen like. It's got party mode. Fireworks. Ooh. Party. I know how to party. Candlelight. Yeah, I feel like the candlelight in TV mode's not very random. Cop car. Ambulance. Fire truck. You can add favorites if you want. Well, there you go. These are the Neewer lights with app that works over Bluetooth. So as long as you're within range of your phone, works really well. Super easy to control and an easy way to set up some basic lighting for whatever studio or setup that you have. Overall, the lights are nice and bright. Again, the app is just really simple and easy to use, easy to set up. And if you want to do things manually with the lights, you can as well. I like that it comes with a diffuser box. It also comes with its own case for storage. So if you need to move things to a studio or set things up somewhere else, it's really easy to do that.